Hey guys, what is up? And no matter how you look at the Oneplus 7 Pro, it's a pretty fantastic phone for gaming. It's got super high-end specs with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, for example. It's got that large, notchless, high refresh rate display up to 90 Hertz. And it's also got those dual speakers, so everything sounds a lot more immersive, as well as multiple enhancements for gaming like OnePlus's Fanatic mode, which I have enabled in this video. So in this video, I wanted to do a little bit of testing with the gaming performance of the OnePlus 7 Pro, see how it performs for one of the more demanding mobile games out there, PUBG Mobile. Also, I would like to mention before we get straight into the gameplay that if you're interested in purchasing a OnePlus 7 Pro for yourself, feel free to use my referral link in the description down below, and you get a free discount off of a brand new OnePlus 7 Pro for yourself. So make sure to check that out if you're interested, and I would definitely appreciate it. But with that being said, let's not waste any more time and get straight into the gameplay. So while you're watching this gameplay, I'd like to mention just a couple of things. First off, I'm running OnePlus's Fanatic mode enabled, so that's a feature that comes with the OnePlus 7 Pro that basically enhances gaming performance by disabling and enhancing certain features on the phone, and that's just going to give you better performance and a better experience while gaming. The second thing is that I am actually running PUBG Mobile at the extreme option when it comes to the frame rate, so that is the maximum frame rate that PUBG Mobile is going to allow, which I believe is 60 frames per second. So even though it's not the 90 frames per second maximum that can be displayed on the OnePlus 7 Pro, it still gives a very smooth experience, and hopefully we'll see an option in the future to run it at 90 frames per second on the OnePlus 7 Pro. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'll go ahead and stop talking now so you guys can listen to how the speakers sound and just watch some gameplay to get an idea of the performance. But anyway, guys, that about does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to subscribe for more OnePlus 7 Pro content I'm going to post. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.